A present welcome to one and all. Now you study about the topic computer video lecturer created by author R.D.Sivakumar, MSc, MPhil, MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCom CA, INR College, Sivagasi. Mobile 0994404243. Email is sivamscsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdshivkumar.blogspot.in. Co-author M. Sita Lakshmi, BCom CA, student of MCom CA, INR College, Sivagasi. Computer definition. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to manipulate symbols. Its principal characteristics are: it responds to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner. It can execute a pre-recorded list of instructions. It can quickly store and retrieve large amounts of data. Therefore, computers can perform complex and repetitive procedures quickly, easily, and reliably. Modern computers are electronic and digital. The actual machinery is called hardware, the instruction and data are called software. A general purpose computers require the following hardware components: central processing unit, the heart of the computer. This is the component that actually executes instructions organized in programs which tell the computer what to do. Memory enables a computer to store at least temporary data, programs, and intermediate results. Mass storage device allows a computer to permanently retain large amounts of data and programs between jobs. Common mass storage devices include disk drives and tape devices. Input device usually a keyboard and mouse. The input device is the conduit through which data and instructions enter a computer. Output device a display screen, printer, or other device that lets you see what the computer has accomplished. In addition to these components, many other make it possible for the basic components to work together efficiently. For example, every computer requires a bus that transmits data from one part of the computer to another. Types of computer. Based on the operational principle of computers, they are categories and analog computers and hybrid computers. Analog computers. These are almost extinct today. These are different from a digital computer because an analog computer can perform several mathematical operations simultaneously. It uses continuous variables for mathematical operations and utilize mechanical or electronical energy. Hybrid computers. These computers are a combination of both digital and analog computers. In this type of computers, the digital segment perform process controlled by conversion and analog signals to digital ones. Following are some of the other important types of computer. Mainframe computers. Large organizations use mainframe for highly critical applications such as bulk data processing and ERP. Most of the mainframe computers have the capacities to host multiple operating systems and operate as a number of virtual machines and can these substitute for several small services. Microcomputers. A computer with a microprocessor and its general processing unit is known as a microcomputer. They do not occupy space as much as mainframes, which supplemented with a keyboard and a mouse. Microcomputers can be called as personal computers. A monitor, a keyboard, and other similar input output devices. Computer memory in the form of RAM and a power supply unit come packaged in a microcomputer. These computers can fit on tasks or tables and serve as the best choice for single user tasks. Personal computers come in a variety of forms such as desktops, laptops, and personal digital assistants. Let us look at each of these types of computers. Desktops. A desktop is intended to be used on a single location. The spare parts of a desktop computer are readily available at relative lower costs. Power consumption is not as critical as that in laptops. Desktops are widely popular for daily use in workplaces and households. Laptops, similar in operation to desktop, laptop computers are miniaturized and optimized for mobile use. Laptop run on a single battery or an external adapter that charges the computer batteries. They are enabled with an inbuilt keyboard, touchpad acting as a mouse and a liquid crystal display. Its probability and capacity to operate on battery power have served as a bond for mobile users. Personal digital assistants. It is handler computer and popularly known as a palm top. It has a touch screen and a memory hub. Card for storage of data. PADs can also be efficiently used as portable audio players, web browsers, and smartphones. Most of them can access the internet by means of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi communication. Mini computers. In terms of size and processing capacity, mini computers lie in between mainframes and microcomputers. Mini computers are also called matrix system or workstation. In term began to be popularly used in the 1960s to refer to relatively similar third generation computer. They took up the space that would be needed for a refrigerator or two and used transistors and core memory technologies. The 12-bit PDP-8 mini computer of the Digital Equipments Corporation was the first successful mini computer. Supercomputers. The highly calculation intensive task can be efficiently performed by means of supercomputers. Quantum physics, mechanism, weather forecasting, molecular theory are best studied by means of supercomputers. Their ability of parallel processing and their well-designed memory hierarchy give the supercomputers large transaction processing power. Wearable computers. A record-setting step in the evolution of computers was the creation of wearable computers. These computers can be worn on the body and are often used in the study of behavior, modeling, and human health. Military and health professionals have incorporated wearable computers into their daily routine as a part of such studies. Thank you.